The wife of Mayor Fermin Mabulo of San Fernando, Camarines Sur knows how to turn lemons into lemonade. In a Facebook post, Mabulo shared his wife Michelle's upcycling project, turning a piece of wood from a tree destroyed during the typhoon into a coffee table. Instead of being discarded, the piece of wood became a nice addition to their house. The mayor describes the finished product as a masterpiece. And has now earned a spot in their home.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.